My name is Bram Stolk, and today I will start building version 2 of this camera, the Abracam. This is version 1, and in this configuration it already weighs almost 10 kilograms. So we're gonna build a lighter version made of stainless steel. Great news, the stainless steel has arrived, which means it is assembly time. I'm looking forward to this a lot because I've been designing this camera and in software and you try to get everything right, but today I get to do a practical test of this design. Will it come together? So this is the laser cut steel, and yeah, it's already collecting fingerprints, but that's okay. The first challenge I had was that a camera obscura, as it's already apparent from the name, should be dark, so black. How do we make this camera black from the inside? And I was looking into painting stainless steel, painting aluminum. Both was very hard. So I opted for vinyl, and the vinyl worked out perfectly. This is matte black vinyl, which will take away most of the light bouncing around inside the camera. So yeah, I'm stoked because it is assembly time. After we're all done, I should be able to mount this beauty of a lens, this Charles Corn from Paris, 19th century lens. Yeah, I'll be stoked to see what kind of images we can get with this. So yeah, assembly time. So, yeah, next up, lens board. It mounts with M6 bolts for a nice and sturdy mount. Man, it's already looking so gorgeous. What an absolute beauty. Stainless steel camera. Okay, I think so far pretty successful. The camera doesn't have a back yet. I will have to put a light tight back on this. But yeah, it's coming together. I should mount the tripod mount, clamp, what do you call it? Arca Swiss plate.
So far, so good.